to work a longer shift now. November of all times. I can't stand it. It's way too cold for a tall sheep like me. Look at me. It's also been snowing. In fact, I heard that a snowstorm was coming. Better hurry home. At least I don't live too far away from here. Next time I'll bring a bigger jacket, or I'll even bring my fluffy blanket to work. I want to see their faces. Maybe it will be some new fashion statement or something. Well, just gotta get home now. Wait, is that? Hey, you over there. Is that you, classmate? What are you doing? What are you doing there on the ground? Come here. Are you okay? Here. Hold my hand. No, please, just... I really want to get home. Just hold my hand. You're freezing. God. Here. Stand up. I'll help you. Here, hold on to my hand. I'll help you up. Put on my jacket. And don't start complaining. I know you really like to complain when it comes to these things, but just... Come here. Just come to my house. And we can talk about you and your situation later. Just follow me for now. I would give you gloves or something, but I don't have any with me anyways. Just follow me. My house is not too far away. Here, hold my hand. I'll try to keep you a little warmer at least. How long have you been out here? For hours. God, poor you. Here, let's just go to my house and then we can talk. I'll get my keys out. Okay. Few steps and then we're here. I actually live pretty close to my workplace, even if I complain a lot, I guess. Here, I'll just open the door. You get in first, okay? Okay. You can take off your shoes, don't worry. Take off your shoes and I'll give you a pair of slippers when we're inside. I bought some really nice, cozy and fluffy slippers as of recently, so that shouldn't be a problem. Let me just close the door. And... Okay, should be better. Take off my clothes, then I'll give you a pair of slippers. I'll even turn on the stove. Should do it. Anyways, I just got some wood recently, so it wouldn't be a bad idea to heat it up a bit more here. So, here, just sit down. Here. Make yourself comfortable. Feel as if you're at home. I'll get us some stuff. I'll be right back. Okay. It's a little cold still, I know. Just hang in there. I have some cozy slippers. Here, why don't you try them on? Yeah, they're really cozy. Synthetic fur, of course. I wouldn't buy real fur. Who am I? Here. I even got us some tea and some cookies. Made some tea earlier. I hope you like fruit tea. You do? Oh, please. Don't be shy. We're classmates. I'm gonna just hand you a cup of tea. And I have gluten-free cookies, because I know I know you can only eat gluten-free cookies, or do you prefer gluten-free cookies? I don't remember which one it was. Oh well, anyways, I got us some cookies, and please tell me, may I pour you a cup of tea? Thank you very much. Here, I hope you like it. Of course, I'll pour myself a cup of tea as well. What kind of gentleman would I be if I let you drink by yourself? Here, I'll do it right in front of you so you can watch. And of course, you can have a cookie. Here, I got us some really, really good cookies. Why don't you try one? Ah, you don't believe me that they're gluten-free? How scandalous. Well, I guess I'll have to try one right in front of you and you'll just have to watch. Here. Believe me yet? And I'll take a sip of my tea. Here, why don't you do the same? You don't need to be all shy up here. Come on. You know me, I know you. You've just never been to my house. That doesn't mean you should behave any differently. Come on, don't be shy, just make yourself comfortable. Okay. So, now that that's done, and we're a little more heated up, why don't I amp it up a little more just by turning on the stove? We can sit around the fire. Doesn't that sound, well, I guess, romantic? I'm just joking. I'm just joking. Here, follow me. Turn it on. Just so we can heat ourselves up a little bit. Because it is a little cold outside, and I wouldn't want you to catch a cold. After all, you've been sitting outside for hours from what I got. So, come here, just follow me. Let's just think about our health and feeling cozy. It's my house, and you're my guest. So I wouldn't want you to feel uneasy by any means, of course. No, it's been a really long time since we hung out like this. I missed it. I really missed hanging out with my friends, family, with anyone, to be honest. Both work and school have been draining me really a lot as of recently. But I'm especially glad that I got to see you again. Yes, I know, sounds schmaltzy, but I don't know, you've always been special. We always used to hang out really a lot in the past, and I sort of wish that we could go back to that. Everything used to be so much better back then. Sorry, I'll stop. I shouldn't be talking about this. This is a nice evening. I don't want to make it a sad evening, of course. Here, look at the sheepish smile. Do I look like someone who wants to make this a sad evening? No, I don't. Of course I don't. Now, I wanted to ask you, since you were all alone outside, what happened? Is it really about your phone dying, or did something happen out there? You don't have to tell me, of course you don't. I'm just worried. It's about your parents? Did you argue or something? Of course, it's no place for me to interfere here. I didn't want to make it seem like that. Look, if it's something serious, I get it. I've had those moments, and we could have me call your parents. I'm sure they know me anyways. And I'll ask if you can sleep over at my place. Does that sound like a plan? Yeah? Fine. Then it's settled. I don't think they can do anything to begin with, simply because I do believe that a snowstorm is coming up outside. So why don't you make yourself comfortable? We could spend the night watching movies, could play card games, video games. We could do prank calls. Oh my god, please, please let's call Legoshi again. Calling Legoshi is the funniest thing ever. He always gets so heated up and so frantic when it comes to these things because he's always so worried. And it's honestly really cute. And I shouldn't be making fun of him. But I do it anyways because he's cute. Well, you could do that, or you could just sit here. Sit here and watch the flames burn. Just feeling cozy, a blanket, and snuggling. It's up to you. Whatever you want. Here. We stay here for 5 or 10 more minutes. Then I'll call your parents. Promise? Okay. You can rest your eyes, of course you can. Here, just lay on my shoulder. And close your eyes. Feel yourself drift away as you watch the fire. Feel the warmth embrace you. Like a warm hug. Good night, cutie.